You, yes, you will be paid $2 for every person that clicks your link and an extra $10 when they join Influencer Cash. So what are you waiting for? Get to work. There's a high probability that you are watching this Influencer Cash review because you are searching for a way to make money online. I understand your situation because I used to chase the same type of opportunity. It took me a while to understand that making money online is not as easy as everyone makes out. These flimsy opportunities are either scams or low-quality products that don't offer realistic advice. Trust me, if you want to make money online, then you need to put in some effort yourself. There are opportunities out there that can offer you the training and education that's required to succeed online. What's up guys? It's Mark here, and for today's video, I will teach you simple steps on how you can make money online through my guide. Is Influencer Cash a legend or a scam? Just a disclaimer, this opinion within this Influencer Cash review are solely mine and are not intended to discriminate or to offend anyone. Well, I've been doing reviews for long enough now to know if something isn't right. In fact, I reviewed other website which is almost the same with Influencer Cash and offers almost the same incentives. So the question is Influencer a scam or just another website that invites you to complete a task for money? Influencer Cash claims that you can earn $2 for every person that clicks your link and an extra $10 for every person that signs up. That only means that sharing your Influencer Cash links to your friends could potentially be extremely profitable. If your friends would click your link for about 100 times and 10 of them would sign up using your link, imagine you are supposed to earn $300 already for that. In addition, you will get $25 sign-up bonus when you register through their website. But the question is, are there any payment proofs? Are people really getting paid through this website? I highly doubt it. So I'll explain why Influencer Cash is not the kind of site you want to be dealing with, and provide indications as to why you should stay away. I seem to be getting the deja vu again, as Influencer Cash just looks as familiar to other sites. So what is Influencer Cash? Influencer Cash is a simple website that has been replicated under various domains all over the internet. All these replica sites look slightly different, but incorporate the exact same features inside the membership area. The idea behind these sites is to have you believe that you can make money in various ways. This includes completing assorted tasks, like take for example filling out surveys, and referring others to the same program. If you viewed the Influencer Cash website, which I suspect you have since you are watching this video, you'll be provided with payment proofs, which is not really payment proofs, testimonials which are just made up, and of course FAQs, which is the frequently asked questions. So how does Influencer Cash work? In essence, Influencer Cash works by getting you as a member to sign up more members. With the intention of obtaining your personal information, this is done by offering you a fee for each person you refer. There are several sections that you'll find inside the members area, with the task wall being one of the ways they will get you to refer other people. This is where you can complete surveys, complete step-by-step instructions for external companies, and of course creating accounts and enter competitions of other companies. Many of these tasks claim you will earn $30 just for doing that manual activity. Seriously, who is going to pay you $30 just to enter a competition or fill out a form? This is ludicrous, as any company would go out of business immediately if this was the case. And of course, aside from that, you'll have promotional posts, Instagram submission, YouTube submission, Facebook submission, and Twitter submission. These are all designed so that you can promote Influencer Cash via your own social media accounts. You'll find a collection of banners that have been created for you to promote and entice other people to join Influencer Cash. This is the main priority of Influencer Cash, as it allows them to obtain your personal information when you sign up. The big enticement to get people to become a member of Influencer Cash is the $25 sign-up bonus. This will be entered into your Influencer Cash account, and that doesn't mean that you will receive it. It just means that the number will appear in your Influencer Cash dashboard earnings. And of course, the big problem here is that this entity has been proven not to pay its members, which I was able to experience. I am not paid with that specific website. So if I were you, not to try it. When you sign up, they will have a warning that states, when confirming payments, if our team finds and fake referrals or clicks, your account will be banned and your payment will not be approved. Of course, I've waited for 30 days and then suddenly my payment was disapproved. Then they have a link to the fraud policy, which when clicked on just sends you to the Influencer Cash dashboard. So there is no actual fraud policy. However, they use this disclaimer to not pay out their members. When you get to the $200 minimum threshold to cash out, they will say fraudulent activity has been found on your account and your account has been banned. Another test to find out how authentic a program is, to check the reviews on Trustpilot. I've kept a keen eye on the reviews since Influencer Cash was released, and here's a few of what people had to say. They don't deserve a star at all. This is a scam, and you're making money for someone else. It's crazy. Don't want your time and energy. You will not get paid. They will say something you did was fraudulent and will not pay you. And as you can see, there's so much reviews that has been provided by the users of this Influencer Cash website. You can check this out for yourself by clicking over the Trustpilot website below. By the time you check, there are more Influencer Cash reviews. So in my opinion, Influencer Cash is a scam. There are just so many indications that allude to an illegitimate entity that is not only wasting your time, but you're giving your personal information over. Your personal information can be used in multiple ways and can also be sold to third parties. I wouldn't risk signing up with Influencer Cash anymore, and I won't be recommending this to you guys, to you my viewers.